Hello and welcome back to video 4 in chapter 7 of the Dreamweaver series, and this video is using guides. Now you'll remember that AP divs can be positioned precisely for accurate layouts. Guides are equally useful for precision, which we will look at now. So what we're going to do is add an AP div and place an image inside this. But first we'll need to add some guides to help us size and position the div. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing that we'll need to do is to go to View, and we're going to look for rulers. Now first of all, make sure it's ticked on Pixels and then click on Show. So we're going to be putting in some vertical guides to start with. So we move our cursor over to the ruler, hold the left finger down so it becomes a double arrow, and we're going to drag. And the first line is going to be at 38. So we can manually do it by dragging and releasing. And so there's our first guide. Another way of doing it is this. Let's drag another one on, but this time double click. And I'm going to type in 494 and click OK. And it will take it automatically there. Now we can do the same for horizontal as well. So I'm going to drag from the top and I'm going to double click and I'm going to make this 152. Okay. And this time I'm going to do it again, drag from the top and turn this down to 380. So we'll make that 380, which is there. Now, once we've gone and put these in place, we can have a look at them. So we can just hover over the guide. So we've got that as a 38, that is a 494, 152 and 380. So simply hovering over, that gives us the distance for, in this case, the vertical guides, how far we are away in pixels from the left edge. And for the horizontals, this gives us the distance we are from the top. If I hover over a guide, but this time also press down the command button, we start to get looking at different colors and measurements. So in this case, those blue lines are simply showing us the distance between the guides. So we've got that here and there. So if we want to see the distance between the guides, hold the command button down. Now, to add AP div, but we need to also make sure that we're going to, when we do it, to have it snap to guides so it's easy to put in. So the way to do that is this. We go to View and we go to Guides. Now I'm just going to take mine off so I can just show you. So we go View, Guides, and make sure it's there. Now I'll do that, but I'm going to go back again to show you one other thing. So View, Guides and Edit Guides. Now this box here can be useful if we want to change the color of our guides. The reason why we would do that is if we are using a color scheme with lots of yellow in, we would find it rather hard to see these guides. So we can make sure that we have the ability to change the colors as and when we need them. Also, we can show guides and snap to guides here as well. Right, all that being done, let's just click OK, and we're going to go on to our favorites category. So here we are in our favorites category, which we've done from a previous lesson, and we're going to click and add the AP div. Click and hold. Okay, so let's do that. Now, at the moment, we've not got anything snapping, so we're going to drag that over and it should fit in like that. And then I can go and resize it to that there. So that's how we work the snap to guides work. It's a nice, easy way of making sure that everything is there. Now, once we've gone and done that, we're going to click inside our flashing, have a flashing cursor inside our div. And we're going to go to the images. And we're going to be looking in, just to make sure, on the desktop, Dreamweaver, Chapter 7, Images. And what we want is the HP_photo. So we're going to need this one here. and I'm going to go and click open. Now in the alternate text I'm going to put soothing lake front. So let's go and do that. Soothing lake front. And we're going to click OK. And there we have it. So File, Save All, File, Preview in Browser. And our website is starting to take shape. Great, so we've had a little bit of an idea of how to look at guides. Have a go yourself, do it manually, do it automatically. If you want, go and change the guide's colours, but make sure that you've got the snap to grid in for the AP div. Right, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.